So you guys want to know exactly how to make $12 per hour just by searching Google? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do so. And if you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit that bell icon just to get notified of my newest videos. I'm going to be posting here quite often, so you guys don't want to miss out on anything. And if you guys are interested, check out the first link in the description. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online. It's how I'm growing my business. So what your job is going to be to do is you guys are going to actually determine how relevant pages are on Google. You guys are actually going to search through Google using a specific term that this website gives you. So say the term is, I'm just using an example from a restaurant that's near me, TJ Finley's. So I searched TJ Finley's and that's the first one that pops up. So pretty much you guys are gonna rate this search term on how relevant it is to you. So, you know, I click it, it's exactly what I searched for. Now you're gonna rate that on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 being the least relevant and 5 being the most relevant. So say if I search for a term, 100 gearbox, that is a motorcycle. So I see a few different search terms come up. Transmission and gear repair, 06 Gixxer 600 transmission repair. Not really too relevant as far as the gearbox goes. So this search term wouldn't be as relevant as the one where I searched for TJ Finley's, but this is just an example of how this site is gonna have you guys testing different search terms and different things like that. So the site that is going to pay you for doing this is called Lionbridge. Now you're gonna come here to this webpage. The job description that you guys are gonna be is either a tester, a rater, or a curator. So you're gonna go there, join our team. It's gonna bring you to this page. You're gonna click learn more. And you guys can do this from many different regions. They have them all here. You can either do Canada, United States, all of these different countries, different regions. So, you know, it is definitely worldwide. So say I'm in the United States, so I'm gonna click United States. It's gonna bring me over here. So these are the different positions that you guys can actually apply for. So say I want to be a rater, which is exactly what I just explained to you guys, which is just rating different sites. These are the qualifications that you guys are gonna need, preferred skills that they want to apply. You're just gonna click here. Okay, and this website will actually pay you guys $12 an hour just to search up specific terms and different keywords. So, you know, you guys can do this part-time. If you do want to apply for more hours per week, you're gonna actually apply to be a social media assessor. So you're gonna apply for that position. That's just within the website. You guys can contact them and ask them exactly how to do it. So once again, you're gonna come here to the home page. It's gonna say join our team right up top, and you're gonna click here, learn more. And you guys are just gonna basically apply for a job. You guys can do this part-time, like I said, or if you wanna work more hours, they do pay you $12 an hour. So there are other positions that you guys can apply for. But in this video, it's just basically explaining how you guys can be a rater. So how you can rate those different websites. So if you guys are interested, check it out, lionbridge.com. Just run through the application process and you guys can get started making money. It's definitely not a way to get rich. If you guys do want to find out a way where you can make a ton of money, check out exactly how I'm building my business and my #1 recommended way. Like I said, if you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I'll be putting up more videos, giving you guys different suggestions on different websites, different apps you guys can try out to make all types of money from home. Check out that link in the description. It'll kind of explain how I'm building my business from the comfort of my own home. I'm in my bedroom right now. So yeah, check that out guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.